friends, I have an awesome recipe for you today. It's my lobster and crab mac and cheese, and boy is it delicious. So let's get started. Okay friends, here are all the ingredients that I will be using. No worries, I will have the quantities listed for you below. So I'm started with shredding my cheese, and now I am taking the lobster out of the tail, out of the shell. So this is just me showing you, if you do not want to use lobster tail, you can use the lobster claws if you want. It might be a little bit easier than having to fight to get the meat out of the shell, but I didn't mind. I did that. So anyway, if you have not hit the thumbs up button, you guys, please do so. It's a free way to support the channel and keep me around. So anyway, I am cutting the lobster into bite-sized pieces, and then I'm going to poach it in butter. So anyway, in my stock pot, I'm going to get my pasta on. So I put the shells in there so I could create a nice little seafood flavoring of the water. And then I cooked it al dente. So as you can see, I have added the lobster and I've added the crab to the butter to poach it and to cook it. And then I'm taking and I've added the flour into that wonderful butter. And now I'm going to create a wonderful roux. To start off my cheese sauce, I added in a little bit of that stock water. I'm adding in a little bit of heavy whipping cream, and then I'm adding some milk, and I'm going to whisk all of that together. I also do shred a little bit of nutmeg into this sauce, or cream sauce, or bechamel sauce, or whatever you want to call it at this point. Because I just like that little extra hint of something different. So now I've added in all of that wonderful shredded cheese, but I did set some of that cheese to the side, at least I want to say half a cup or 3/4 of a cup to the side. So now that the pasta is done, now I add the cheese to the pasta. So now we're going to season it. We're going to add back in the crab and the lobster. We're going to add in some coriander, some creole seasoning, some pepper, some salt, some mustard, a little bit of sour cream, and then I'm going to fold all of that together, and a little bit of parsley. I forgot about the parsley. So we're going to fold that all together, and then we're going to put it into our nice greased baking sheets. You should have your oven set at about 375 or 400, whichever one you want, because it's pretty well much already melted. I'm just going to be just crisping it up and letting it all come together in the oven. But look how good this looks. Oh my God, this is such a delicious mac and cheese, you guys. You have to make it. Anyway, and you see the pull on that. So anyway, in my greased butter dish, I've added the mac and cheese, and then I'm gonna add the breadcrumb topping. Then you bake it off for about 15 minutes in your oven, and it should come out bubbly and delicious. And you can also put some more parsley on top if you want to just garnish it that way. But of course, you guys will wait for absolutely nothing. Here you go. Here is the lobster and crab mac and cheese. Oh my God, you guys, it is so delicious. Look how delicious this mac and cheese is, you guys. I promise you, you're going to love this dish. I want to thank you for watching, and as always, enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe so that you can get all of my new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.